Hey guys, welcome back to my another video, and today is very excited to be here right now. So because actually I'm sitting here on the troop. So because actually I just wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. Then I go to uh, then I went for take a shower and then it's wearing cloth. Actually I'm sitting here. So because actually I am sick so many days, guys. I have fever so many days. Actually, already I took medicines, but actually no removing my fever from my body. So what happens? I don't know, but it happens to everyone's. Don't worry. Actually, I'm so literally I say you that, and because actually I'm battling so many days actually, and this situation and this time is very critical to everyone because and suddenly changed the weather. Actually, weather is so winter season is suddenly started, So actually these days is so many mosquitoes. So I want to say you that guys, please take care, be carefully yourself and your family because the mosquitoes very is flying in the evening time, in the morning time, so a lot. Please take care, guys. So, how are you guys? I hope you are good and absolutely you're fine, you're lovely. I thank you so much, guys. I love you so much because actually I'm learning English speaking and every day because actually my throat is very upset. Something, and there is sneezing. I have cold and the fever as well. So everything. So actually I am not able to understand so how to speak English in properly, but actually I'm very comfortable and this time actually very excited and I just came on the roof here right now. So because actually I'm learning English and these days and practice. So guys, and this is channel is created only on the beginners. Please my learners, please most welcome to my YouTube channel. Speak English with Anil. So please once again welcome guys. So you can speak little bit and you can speak a regular and guys I want to suggest you guys so you will want if you want to the speak English so very easy and I think so guys you should practice an every day because you will practice every day. So I guarantee tell you guys so you can speak English and regular. This is the observes anything else in the surrounding you and you have lots of vocabularies grammar, but while speaking English you suddenly stuck. The stuck is problem actually you feeling hesitation and feel shy and so many afraid to anyone. But don't worry, guys. So please continue. Whatever you have, continue. Tutti frutti. Do you know? Please, I think this is uh, this is English language. Is this is not his course. Only this is language. Actually you can watch my video in the till. This is the manner the speaking English. So little bit is you have the when you started English you have many confusions and lots of the problems. Actually you are not able to speak English and you have the so many mistakes the when you started English. But don't worry and don't panic, guys. And you should practice and every day. So actually, I told you already yesterday. So please, whatever you have the vocabularies, and you should practice and every day because actually this is my native language. But actually, I am trying, huh? Actually, I don't know English is properly. You can watch me. I don't know properly, but I am speaking, na? Really, literally, and you should practice, guys. This is my beginners, my learners, my please most welcome to you too, and you should. So I give you the one tips, the most important for you. and to everyone. So guys, please wake up early in the morning around 6, between 7 a.m., and you go to take a shower, fresh, and then the teach the breath, the clean everything, so wearing cloth and the worship whatever. So your habit and regular, and you can worship to God, and then go. Please go the alone place, and you can speak English, and you can ask yourself, I don't know speak English. What is the reason I have? You suddenly you got result, and I think you should practice here. Please continue, and you can watch me and my native language. Actually, I haven't lots of the vocabularies and no grammar, but I want to speak English and every day, because actually I want to the improve myself, and within the 1 month and 2 month you have the lots of time, but you can't speak anything else, and you feel shy and hesitation, and hesitations is the more hesitations you feel very shy. What is the reason? And please removing your mind. I told you already, please. So you will watch me and every day, because actually I get up early in the morning around 6 a.m. Then I went for the take of a shower, and then came back at home right now. So I went for the kitchens and prepared the breakfast me for my family, and then come here wearing cloth, and suddenly I just came down the roof and for practice English. Right? Got it? I hope you got it to all these things. Hmm? You will have to the change yourself. You have to the change your mind, and keep your mind always fresh. So after that you will the speak English. I trust. Please trust me. This is I give the suggestion for you, and you should the practice English and every day, because guys, actually I don't know about more English, but I want to suggest you guys and speak every day, and should be a regular base for speak. And I know that while speaking English, so you suddenly confused and you are stuck. You are not able to speak English actually, and suddenly you blocked your mind, and don't think over, because you should start it now whatever you have. So I literally guys, whenever I started my English journey, it was very difficult. Actually I was not able to speak and anything else. Actually suddenly I blocked my mind. Uh, Actually I couldn't speak anything else. But actually once a day I sitting at home right now, so because I was thinking that, and what is the reason actually I'm not able to speak English, what is the reason? So actually so many people told me you can't speak English, and you are lazy, you are gawar desi, many things, and everyone, and enjoyed, uh, because actually I was very sad at that time, because actually I cried at home. I thought myself, because I on that time I had promised myself that will speak English. Actually, I tried so many days the continue for English speaking, and and this time, so you can see guys, so little bit improving my English. Actually I'm doing the hard work and regular base, because actually I'm doing work into 12 hours, 13 hours the continue. Then I will come back at home, the actually cooking food and night for me and with my family. Then actually I don't have more time for speak, but this is the necessary for my life. I have to change my life. I have to the my future. This is the English language is very important for you guys. What you will go to the company's office, and first of all you will ask a question in English. This is the global language, guys. The and English needs so every country and every state. So I suggest you guys, you should practice English. And I know that you have the lots of vocabularies, grammar, but you can't speak English. Actually, you don't practice every day, na? What is the reason? Main reason, manually I tell you, and you should practice on every day. So after that, after week 1 week, and you can speak English very well. Because I'm so very excited to be here right now. So because, and this video is very long. So actually I just stopped it in this video. So I will meet you the next video, guys. So because actually overall my time is overall completed, so to go to the office and today. So very excited. We will meet you the next video, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. And once again I tell you, my channel name is Speak English with Anil, my YouTube channel, guys. And please support me and subscribe my channel, because you will get notifications soon. And please don't hit bell icon, so that you will get notifications soon. Okay guys, bye bye, take care, bye, love you.